So this is a video about what I think Gödel's theorem actually means. So a few years ago, there was some black high school students that derived Pythagorean's theorem in geometry from trigonometry. And so what you could say about that is, first of all, in mathematics, what's seen as a proof is coherency. If you can show that one set of mathematics is coherent with the definitions of other mathematics, then they say that, one is provable by the other. And that's what they mean by true and false, is coherency and incoherency. In fact, this is what our left hemisphere means by true and false, is the coherency or incoherency of definitions. And so these, what one could call statements that are true but are not provable, are the statements that, like, say geometry is coherent with trigonometry. You see what I mean? That's a statement that's outside the statements that make up geometry and the statements that make up trigonometry. And I think that's what actually the theorems actually mean, is that they're statements outside the mathematical statements. But the real issue is that they're all statements. They're all language. Equals is still a verb. And even things that we talk about in geometry and like graphing equations, we're all using linguistic statements, even if they're if-then statements. And they all have either or prepositions, either or identifiers, and either or verb phrases. It equals or it doesn't. It is or it isn't. And this is how the left hemisphere operates. It's either or. And Gödel's theorem doesn't take into account Chomsky's universal grammar. And so not only is it Gödel's theorem really just talking about language itself, it doesn't account for language itself and all its like noun phrase, verb phrase, because phrase, or like the fact that all the prepositional phrases are nested, and all the prepositions and identifiers are all either or, right? Like the verb phrases. And math is not invented or discovered. Language is not invented or discovered. It's a feature of our left hemisphere. And our left hemisphere is projected onto reality. It's like a hypernatural, the natural that is already